they should be wearing hard hats. Just a thought. It's our audience for the second tree falling. Everyone comes out to see the spectacle. So far, only one casualty. Our front porch railing suffered some damage during the falling of the top of the tree. I think I'm far enough away. I still want to be farther. There we go. Down she comes. Sweet. Well done.